Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a client tutorial and a review on the Kylie and Jordyn collab. Right now I'm actually going into the palette and I'm about to use the color Wife Life in the crease as our start off transition color. Now we're just going to be taking the color Peru and I'm just going to be adding that color on top of the transition. It's just a really nice sort of burnt kind of rusty orange. So now we're taking My Heart and Love You Beach from the palette and we're just going to add that into the crease on the outer corner just to emphasize the outer part of the eye. And yeah. So you'll notice that I'm actually using two brushes to kind of diffuse out the outer corner. So first I'm using a pencil brush to kind of lay down the color. And then I'm going in with a 221 MAC brush, which is basically like a very narrow, thin kind of blending brush just to kind of give it a cleaner edge and to help the color blend in more nicely into the crease. And now what I'm starting to do is cutting the crease. So I'm not doing like a super dramatic full cut crease. I'm kind of doing a bit of a half cut crease on the eye. And I'm just using a bit of concealer to do that. So now what I'm doing is I actually used an angle brush to kind of outline the actual crease, and then I went in with a flat synthetic brush to actually kind of pack on the concealer. And now I'm using that same brush and I'm actually going into the color Loyal, and I'm putting that all over the lid, and it's just like a nice kind of like soft tone gold. So I'm just taking now My Heart and the color Love You Beach, and I'm just mixing that with the gold a little bit just so it creates a softer look on the outer corner. I just keep them satisfied. And boom, we got lashes and liner on. I literally just used some regular black liquid liner and we added some 48s by MAC. Now I'm using the Melanie Mills in Disco Gold, and I'm actually going to be mixing that in with some Hangover primer, I believe. I think it's a Hangover primer. I didn't show that on camera, but that's basically what I did. You can literally mix the Melanie Mills with absolutely anything, or you can use it by itself on the skin. It is gorgeous. I super recommend it. I have it in Bronze Gold and Disco Gold, and those two are my favorite tones. So now we're taking the foundation from Urban Decay, the Naked Skin one, and I'm taking the Maybeline, I believe it's a 24-hour foundation, which is so bomb. The Naked Skin is very lightweight and light coverage, and then the Fit Me is more of a full coverage matte foundation, so they give a really nice satiny look to the skin, and I'm literally just applying this with a dual fiber brush all over. And now we're going in with the Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige. Now, the client that I'm actually doing is my best friend, and she swears by this concealer. And y'all, this concealer is freaking amazing. I'm literally actually considering buying it for my kid. It is so bomb. So full coverage, but it doesn't set into the skin like super fast, so you can easily kind of have it like sit on the skin a little bit and then blend it out, and it doesn't make the skin look dry. Like, it's just so good. I highly recommend it as well. Now I'm going into the black opal stick, and I'm using the color Nutmeg, and I'm just going to be contouring mainly just around her cheeks and slightly the perimeter of her forehead, just to kind of chisel. She got high ass cheekbones. This girl don't need no more chiseling, but we just added a little extra just to kind of finish off the look. Okay, so now we set everything. We set our contour, we set our under eyes, and I will leave all the details down below of what I used on her skin, but now I'm just going in with Whisper of Guilt highlighter from MAC. That one was from our holiday collection last year, so that's why the packaging is a little different, but I'm just using that all over her skin to give her that bomb glow, honey, and I'm literally obsessed. I'm gagging. It's just a gorgeous highlighter. Now we're just going to be lining her lips with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Brown Sugar. Best neutral lip liner. However, these guys, I don't know what's wrong with the lip pencils, but sometimes like the actual pencil itself will kind of slide out or slide around. So keep that in mind if you're ever going to be purchasing any Kylie lip products regarding the lip liners. But nonetheless, the color and the formula is bomb.com. Now we're going in with the KKW lip cream. This is my favorite lip cream from KKW. I did buy the whole set of 5. This is the color Kimberly. It's just like a nice kind of soft pinky nude. And now I'm going in with the Kylie and Jordyn Collab gloss and partner in Creme. And voila! Look at that beat. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. Everything from the collection was phenomenal, from the eyeshadows to the gloss. This is my favorite Kylie formula for the gloss, so I do highly recommend that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!